Okay. Okay, guys. How you doing? Welcome to Therapy Visuals unveiling of my new baby. Just got a new baby. I just pulled it out the box. The Ninja V for my S1H Panasonic Lumix that I'm rocking. Boom, this is what it looks like in the packaging. Comes with this owner's manual, quick start guide. It also comes with power supply and also all kind of different options depending on where you live, what country you stay in. So we got all kind of options for that. And we also have boom, 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 blah, power supply mount. So we're gonna get this mounted up, get it started, pull out the S1H, and I'm gonna be tuning back in with you guys so you can see what we're able to do with it, hooked up to the gimbal SS. So thanks for tuning in. I love this little thing right here, this Ninja. It got the external recordable mounts right onto here, for you can record right onto your S1, right onto your, from your S1H right into your your Osmosis Ninja V. So that's a cool feature. It got a whole bunch of other cool stuff that it does. We're gonna get it hooked up and show you some of the features that it do. All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in.